In today's video, I'll show you how to add music in Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to the Meta Business Suite official page, then make sure to log in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click Create Reel to get started. Next, click Add Photos. Then select at least 5 images since this is required to create a reel. After selecting your images, click Open to upload them. You will now see the Sound Sync option. Make sure to turn this on so your photos will automatically sync with the audio, making your reel more engaging and professional. After that, you can search for audio for your reel by typing in the search bar or simply scroll down and choose music from the suggested options. Once you find the music you like, click on it. The audio will start playing and your photos will automatically sync with the music, giving your reel a smooth and polished feel. And that's it. That's how you add music in Meta Business Suite.